Hello everyone, myself Humera Maniyar, Faculty of Computer Science. In this video, we are going to see the concept of method overloading in the C#. So let's get started. Method overloading, it is a concept of declaring multiple methods with the same method name and with different parameter is known as a method overloading. Here in this example, I have given some method declaration with the same method name and different parameter. Here add parameter. This method consists to zero parameter, means no parameter is passed. The second example show add method with the same method name, and in the next example I have create same method with the method name add, and here I have passed two method with one integer method and the second one is a string method. Here the parameter number of parameters are same but the order of parameters are different. In the above example, we have declared two methods with the same parameter, with the same data type, means we have declared integer I and integer j. Both are the same data type variable. And in the next example, we have declared add method with the two parameter with the different data type, means first parameter have the data type integer and the second parameter is a string type. And in the next example, we have declared add method with the two parameter. Here the parameter name must are same but the order is different. Here we declare parameter integer first, and in the second example we have declared parameter string type parameter first. So this is a concept of showing the method overloading, means we can declare the method with the same method name with different parameter. The number of parameter must be different, the order of parameter must be different in the program. Next, this is an example of method overloading. This is an example of method overloading in C#. Here we have create one class with the class name program, and here we have declared one method with the name test method, and here we have passed some message. This is a method without any parameter. In the first method we have declared method without any parameter. Then next, in the second method we have declared the same method name with one integer parameter int I. In the integer I parameter we have passed one message. This is a method 2 with one integer parameter. The next method we have create with the method name test, and here I have passed the parameter string. Here the number of parameters are same but the type of parameters are different in these two methods. Here we have passed integer I and here we have passed string I. Order of parameter number of parameters are same but the types are different. It is a integer type and it is a string type argument. Next, here we have declared another method with the same method name, and here we have passed the two method integer I and string s, and we have passed message. This is a method 4 with two different parameters. And in the last we have to create the object of main class. Main class is our program p is equal to new program. If we want to call a particular method from the method overloading program, so first we have to create the object of main class, and by using the object we can call the method. Suppose p dot text, it will call the first method. Here we have not provide any parameter, that's why it called the first method. And next, if you want to call the second method, in the second method we have declared method with the same method name test, and we have passed one argument as a integer. So that's why at the calling time we have to call p dot test with one integer value t test in bracket 10. It will call the second method. Next method call is third method, that is p dot test. We have passed string value because we have declared a method with the string parameter. That's why here we have pass a string value. And in the fourth method we have create two method with the two parameter. First is our integer and the second one is a string, and last is a console.read key which is used to hold your output screen. So let's get start with our practical. In the Visual Studio we are going to show the practical demo of method overloading. So here we have declared method public void test Here we have to pass some message, console dot write line. This is method 1. Now we have create second method, public, with the same method name test and one argument, suppose string integer I. Enter. Console dot write line. This is method 2 with one integer parameter. Now declare one more method, public void test integer string s. Console dot write line. This is third method with string parameter create one more method, public void test with two parameter, integer I comma int j. Console dot write line. This is test method with two parameter. We have to put the message in the double quotation, then in the last put the semicolon to end the message body. Then declare one more method, public void test string s comma int I. Console dot write line. This is method with two different parameters. Here the method name must be the same. Public void test. So in this example we have created the test method with different parameters. This first method declaration show test method without any parameter, means we have not provide any parameter to the first method, test method, and we have call message in the this is method 1, and then in the second method we have declare method with the same method name test method, and here I have passed one integer parameter int I, and it show the message body. Then in the third method declaration, we have declared the same method with the test method, and the parameter are string. Here the number of parameters are same. In the above example, we have declared a test method with one parameter, and in the next example, here we have declared test method with the same number of parameter, but here the type of two methods are different. It consists of parameter integer type, and it consists the parameter string type. The order of parameters are different, but the method name of the method is the same. And in the next method declaration, method name again same, test method with two different parameter, two parameter integer and integer I and integer j, and message body. And in the second in the last, here we have declared the same method with the number of parameters are same. Here integer I, integer j, and here string s and integer I. Number of parameters are same, means here we have declared two parameter, and here also we are declared the two parameter. The difference is what? Here the order of parameters are different. Here integer I and integer j, and here is a string s and integer I. Now we have to call this method. For calling the method, we have to create the object of method. Here you can put string parameter also, string s. Now if you want to call the method, so by using the object creation, we call the method. Here the main class is our program p is equal to new program semicolon. If you want to call the first method, so here we have to put p dot test semicolon, then p dot test 10 semicolon, then p dot test suppose hello semicolon, then p dot test suppose 10 comma, and last method is a p dot test. First is our string parameter hello, and the next is suppose 10 semicolon, and last console dot read key semicolon. To run the program, just click on start button. It will run your program. Now this is our output screen. This is output of program. The output show the in the method body we have provide some messages in a particular method. That message is called. Then you call the method. If you call the first method, then it will show the first method body. This is the first method. In the second output line, in the second method we have provide the method body. This is a method 2 with one integer. Then this is a method third with the string parameter. Then this is a test method with two parameter, and this is a method with two different parameter. So these are the output of this particular program. I hope you all understood. Thank you.